Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Idli is one of the famous and healthiest breakfast of South India, but the protein and fiber rich idli which I am going to share now is with different ingredients and in a different and more healthier way with some added nutrition from various vegetables. The healthy chutney which I am going to share in this video is the best combination and goes well with this idli. You can have this as your breakfast or dinner. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Here, I have washed and soaked 1 cup of split yellow moong dal overnight. The next morning, discard this water. Transfer this soaked dal into a mixer jar. Cover it with a lid and grind it into a thick smooth paste. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of dry roasted and powdered oats flour. Then add 1 cup of beaten curd to it. Mix it very gradually. Add very little amount of water. Mix it again. Add some more water and mix it very well into a semi-thick batter. Now add the grounded moong dal paste into it. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt to make the batter to ferment very quickly. Then add 1 teaspoon of pink salt and mix it thoroughly. Now add 1/3 cup of grated carrot, 1/3 cup of grated beetroot and mix it well with the batter. Now keep this batter aside and rest it for a while. Meanwhile, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee into it and heat it. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 2 chopped green chilli. Saute it well till nice aroma from the tadka comes out. Now add half teaspoon of hing and saute it again. Now add 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped French beans, 1/3 cup of green capsicum chopped and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry it well for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame until they get light brown in color. Then add few finely chopped curry leaves and 1/3 cup of finely chopped spinach leaves. Saute it well for a minute. Then add half cup of yellow semolina. Mix it well and fry for 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame till the raw smell from the rava goes out. Now switch off the stove and let it cool down. Now add the rava mixture to the moong dal and oats batter. Mix it once. Then add water little by little and mix well and make it into idli batter like consistency. Add some salt if needed at this moment of time. Mix it once. Let this batter rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now fill the idli molds with this batter. I have already added 2.5 cups of water into the idli steamer. Now place the idli stand into it and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. For the chutney, add 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan and heat it. Now add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 inch ginger, 10 garlic cloves, 3 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion and fry till the onions turn into translucent. Now add 3 big tomato slices into it. Saute it well and cook till they become mushy. Now add half cup of dry roasted and peeled peanuts into it. Mix the peanuts well with the onion tomato mixture. Add some salt and mix it once again. Now it is done. Switch off the stove. Cool this mixture and grind it into a smooth chutney. After steaming, take out the idlis into a serving plate. Now, our delicious healthy, protein, fiber and nutrient-rich moong dal oats idli is ready to serve. I have served it with yummy and mouth-watering tomato and peanut chutney. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.